Welcome to Cashew. Cashew is the first platform that lets you send, spend, or move your credit just like cash instantly with no limits and no wait times. Here's how it works. After creating your account, you'll verify your identity through Clear, our trusted KYC partner. During verification, we ask for basic personal details, state-issued ID, and a selfie to make sure it all matches. This ensures your profile is secure and compliant from day one. Next, link the credit cards you want to use. You can add any personal or business card directly into your Cashew Wallet. Then, connect the bank accounts where you'd like the funds delivered. You can also link platforms like Coinbase, PayPal, and more. Once connected, your Cashew Wallet becomes your command center, securely storing your cards, accounts, and transaction history all in one place. From there, converting credit into cash just takes a few taps, giving you instant liquidity and complete freedom to move money on your terms. Whether it's paying rent, covering payroll, sending a wire, or simply moving funds into other platforms, Cashew gives you the flexibility to control your credit like never before. This is why we had thousands of users on our waitlist who are now leveraging their credit. Entrepreneurs feeling growth, travelers maximizing rewards, students covering expenses, and everyday people who simply just want more options with their money. Create your account today to experience NextGen finance in your pocket.